Okay, I'm fixing to make our stovetop barbecue chicken for you, Amber, so you can see how to do it. And I hope you can hear me and not hear Dad in the background.
Hi, Amber.
And Derek is back there too. He's not talking. You want to take your tomato paste?
Hey.
There's Derek. Give me a rag. Your tomato paste and put it in here. And then some water. That's about a cup of water. That I'm putting in there to start it with, and I like to sift it around, kind of melt it. Make sure it's going. It is. Kind of get it mixed up in there. This is what Mamaw and Nana always made. Get that. If your dad would stop meddling with stuff and you could hear it all over the video, I'm going to have to send him out of here. But there's your, you mix that up, and then I just take, and I don't measure it, I just do this, plop it in here. And mix that up. And then it looks like that. And then I want brown sugar. And of course this is Splenda brown sugar. And I'm going to put like 4 of these in here. And of course I'll taste it later and see if it needs more. But the first was tomato paste. Then Worcestershire. And then brown sugar. And then I like to take a sifter. This one's an old Tupperware one. And I put a 1/2 cup of flour in it. And then I put water in it. I may or may not use all of that, but take it and just sift it up like that. And pour. Not all of it. I want to see how it thickens. And then I put some ketchup in it. I don't measure that either. I just squirt. Mix that up. And then I just put the garlic like that. Which it looks like that. Okay. It looks kind of weak. I may have to put some more Worcestershire in it. But then you do onion powder. And we used to do onion until y'all got allergic to it. You can put sliced onion in it if you prefer. But I like the onion powder. I'm going to go ahead and turn the stove on, because I don't turn it on until I get all this mixed. And it really looks a little weak. Like it needs, it's anemic. Put some more Worcestershire in it. Show you that. And then mix it. Smells good. And then you put your chicken. And this is still frozen, but it will get unfrozen while it cooks. And I'm going to let that cook a little while and then taste it. And if I need to, I will add more to it.